Alright, hello, this is Andy, and I'm going to show you how to use a QR code generator to share any kind of document or file or picture that you have saved in your Google Drive. So, I'm going to pick just this one. It's a random picture from our Minecraft experiments in our classrooms. The first thing that I need to do is make this picture public. To do that, I need to find the sharing button. And when I find it, it'll bring up this screen here. The first thing you see is that this is a private file as of right now. Only I can see it or do really anything with it. So first thing I'm going to do is just change this and make it public on the web. The reason why I need it to be public on the web is so that anyone who scans the QR code can see it. If I don't, then those people are going to have to request permission from me, which might be useful if you're going to specifically only get your parents of your kids to view it or whatever. In this case, I'm just going to make it public on the web to make it a little easier for our purposes. So when I'm done, I click Save, and then I click Done, and I'm good to go. The next thing I need to do is open this particular file. What this is going to do is give me a new tab in Chrome and give me a URL right here that is specifically for this picture. In the top right hand corner next to your Omnibar, you'll see a little button right there. That is a Screencastify button, which is the app I'm using right now to record all of this. What I need is one that generates a QR code. So I'm going to go to the Chrome Web Store, and you can do that by Google searching it. And I'm going to type in goo.gl. I'm going to switch to extensions. Extensions are the things that come up here in the right hand corner. Apps are other programs that you don't quite go as well as others, but I just like having the extension because it's right there. One click, I'll have what I want. The Google or the goo.gl shortener that I'm going to use is this one right here. So look for this icon of the vice grip. This one I like because it's an extension, and I've just used it and it works fine. I'm sure the other ones are great. This one has a better rating though. So when I'm ready to have it, I click this plus free button here, and it's going to ask me if I want to add this extension. I'm going to say add, and then in just a second it will pop up, and there it is on the top right hand corner. These are again all of your extensions. So now I can close out this and go back to my picture. Now remember, I'm not in the Drive tab anymore. I'm in the opened picture, so that I get this URL right here. When I click this extension, I got a couple things actually. I get this, which is the shortened URL, which I can use just because it's a lot less cumbersome to type in that than this whole long URL that's 75 characters long. This is much shorter. I can copy this. I don't really use details, but what I'm looking for is this one right here, the QR code. When I click this button, it gives me a QR code. Now I can take this particular picture. I can shorten it, which I don't know why you want to do, but if I click on it with just a regular left click, it brings me to a new tab with that QR code. From here, I can copy the image, I can save it, I can do pretty much whatever I want. So if I save the image, I can then take it and put it into an email. I can print it off and post it all around the building. If you come down to my classroom, you'll notice I have a QR code stuck above my doorway. That's for my class website, so you can really put them anywhere you want, and all somebody needs in order to access that particular picture, file, document, URL, whatever, is a QR scanner, which is a free app on pretty much every device. So, all right, there you go. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, good luck.